What's up, guys? It's Sky Miles from Driven by Brothers, and of course, you know we have the F82 BMW M4 Yas Marina Blue. But guys, today's a very, very special day. You've seen the M4, you've seen the Scat Pack, and today we have a new addition to add to the family. My little brother Tyson, he bought a new car. It's a BMW M. Guys, this car that he bought is legendary. It's literally right there in front of me. I can't stop looking at it. I mean, I can't. It's a legendary car. And you guys will see it when he gets here. He hasn't seen it yet. He was in Germany when he bought it, but the car was delivered a week ago, and it's just been sitting in the garage waiting for him. So once he gets here, you guys will see it. This is gonna be a lot of great, legendary content for the channel. Please like, share, subscribe, tell your friends about our channel, and let's keep this shit pushing, man. We gotta get it going, man. Come on, we gotta get it going. And I'll see you guys when he gets here. Peace. All right, guys, he's here. This is his first time seeing his car. He got a BMW E92, by the way, 2013. Oh shit. Here, hold this. Let me go get my mask. Yes, sir, that's on me. This is on me. Yes, sir. You want to see some hard work? You want to see what hard work look like? Come here. Come here. Look at that interior, nigga. Get the interior. Yeah, you see that? You like that? You got, what's this, man? What is this? It's an E92 M3 competition package. How much was this? Smooth Brit. Smooth Brit. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You better drive it? God! You said what? You better start it up? Yeah, let me get the key. Watch out, baby.
Tell my niggas grip up, we ain't fighting. Add up the check, we don't minus. I told them my touch is the Midas. You bugging, I hop in the spiders. Midday, I only one nighter. Apple bottom my bitch, shake out of her quick. I'm sipping on lick like a cider. I'm a lover, no fighter. Shoot at his teeth.
Oh my god. Say F3 on this. Oh my god. Navigation! Want me to close the hood? Yeah, you about to ride out? Close the hood for us? Close that for us? You coming or?
No, I don't want nobody in my back seats. I'm serious about that.
Hey!
The bulge!
Roll down the window. You gotta go out that way to get out the driveway. It's touchy. The throttle's very, very touchy because of the clutch.
Oh, this shit is for no joke, bruh. Oh my god. This shit is real, dog. Yes, sir, bro. This shit, yeah, I told you what. I told you what.
Yeah.
Know what the fuck it is, nigga. Let me know when y'all niggas start copping $80,000 whips before you're 22. Cause that's what you're gonna need to do to catch up with me, nigga.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit!
Oh my god! Nigga, this shit goes crazy, bro. Oh my god, this shit handles like this too?
Push it.
Oh.
Alright. Unless you're
Boy, we went up to 8,000, bro.
I put that shit in the past. It's all behind me. When you go down, it's laughs. It fuck up your psyche. Most time I'm lost in the wind. Need the elements to find me. Earth, wind, and fire. Sick of.
We would, you know what I'm saying? We would have squad, you know what I'm saying?
You know, we outside, bro. We outside, just in order.
Got Taj right here on the E-Class.
Taj's always outside.
In this video, his music is in this video. So the music that you hear in the background, that's that nigga Taj, man. She was calling me, man. Calling this bitch.
Ain't no story in this motherfucker, man. This real life. Go follow a nigga. It's real crazy, real archive, real saucy, real nutty. I'ma clip that for myself too, by the way, yeah.
Yeah.
Like that. What's the two, man?
Driven by Brothers.
Follow Richie Corleone on the IG.
Okay, shit, let him know. Look at the camera, nigga, let him know.
Follow Richie Corleone on IG. My niggas got the M4s, M3s out this bitch real young money. Shit, man. Y'all boys get on your grind. I still got no cap. My boys doing it.
Oh, you got the Enjoy.
You like that? 200 on the dash, bro.
200 on the dash, man. It's real crazy. Dash. 200 on the dash.
That's what I would do, the M4 to M3. Those M6s are hard too, though. No, you know what you can get for a good price that's low, and like you're getting the same mission as the M6, but you just got to pay for that maintenance. Because it's going to be the same maintenance as an M6.
You might as well get the
M5. Nigga, those M5s are leaving this. Like the 2014, 13 M5, they're leaving the M4. Where you going? All right. Yeah, go ahead. It's open.
Yeah, man. This one. What year is this one?
15.
His was 13.
Yeah. You know this is like actually an M3, right?
This one?
Tyson, isn't this actual M3? It's just an M3 coupe. I don't know why they changed the name.
Of this car. It's the newer version of mine.
Well, I'm saying of the F80s too. Of the new M3s.
Yeah, the new M3s just they only come in 4-door.
These look basically the same.
They are. Oh.
More high-tech.
That's literally the reason why I bought this car.
I like the way this car drives more though. To be honest with you, Russell. Tyson's car. I like the way Tyson's car drives more. Because it's more of a raw driving car. Like this, you got the technology with the steering wheel. So like the steering feels kind of fake.
Oh, okay. I feel you. You can feel more of the...
Yeah, like I'm not knowing where the wheels are sometimes when I'm driving.
Oh, okay.
Like I'm taking corners and shit.
I feel you on that.
Gotta remember the Titans. Tell my niggas grip up, we ain't fighting. Add up the check, we don't mind this. I told them my touch is the Midas. You bugging, I hop in the spiders. Midday, I only one nighter. Apple bottom my bitch, shake out of her quick. I'm sipping on lick like a cider.
Yeah. Sky Miles, man, from German Brothers. Check out the drip. You see the Yeezys? And this is my M4, man. You know what I'm saying? I lean on that bit. You know what I'm saying? No, I'm playing. It's Tyson's M4. I mean M3. But anyways, we are on the way. We are.
This nigga don't even know the names of the whips.
Hey, it's all good. It's all good. I mean, that's what it's like when you have multiple M's at the crib. You know what I'm saying? You get the names mixed up because there's so many M's. I get lost in the sauce. You know what I'm saying? But anyways, nigga, we on the way to the M meet right now. In the 4, let me take an M3 out, man.
I drip Dior behind me, my floor. I can't ignore bad hoes when I'm bored, but I hate the stores, don't buy till no more. MacGyver, that boy is on fire.
Let them know what we're about to get into. Let them know what's going on tonight, man.
Just taking a run. Being safe. We ain't with no reckless shit.
No regular
Driving,
shit.
cruising. That's it.
Hey, and if you got 200 on the dash, don't talk to us, man.
Right.
Come on now. Sky Miles 3 S's at the end. Sky Miles on Instagram.
What's up?
Joven, I know he's special. You wanna go, baby? I'll probably.
Hey, that just scared the fuck out of me. I thought it was going.
I already know. Bro, last meet, we were on the freeway. He pulled up. I was like, I'm not even trying to race. It's not even worth it. Pulling out. We'll be good.
Hey, sliding, bro. We gotta catch up, y'all. Oh my God. Hey, they going to 400?
Y'all taking off? Okay.
We gotta catch up though.
Oh shit. Hey, I'm gonna call Tyson.
Ooh wee.
Hey.
I'm going the fuck home.
Hey, I'm gonna go the opposite way.
Yeah, don't need.
Hey, 12
Yo,
is
12
after
is,
y'all.
hey, 12 is speeding towards y'all.
It's after y'all.
Hey, it's 2 of them.
So drive. I'm calling
Yeah,
the crew. I'm calling the crew right now. I'm calling the crew.
Alright, I'm gonna take the track. Hey, yo, 12!
They're coming. Tell them I saw them. They pulled out of the parking lot. Where's my phone?
Hey, yo, 12 forward. 12 behind him. I'm a fire.
This nigga.
Yeah, they're gonna beat him. Lake Tennessee.
Right there.
12 is up
No
there.
lights on. You got no
Actually,
lights.
yeah, I don't even think they chasing y'all.
But they came. No, they came.
I think they just got through the light. Keep going. Let him get in front of you. No, he's getting behind his homeboy. I think he said shh, 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 shh. Hey, yeah, we got the badge. We're good.
Yeah, I'm good. Oh, they're following y'all, bro. Bro, they're following y'all. They hopped in this lane. They're following y'all, bro. Bro, they're following y'all, bro. Trevor's right behind y'all, bro. And my car's already been spotted. Yeah, they're following. Tell them, Raz.
They just busted left behind all the beamers.
That's why they stayed.
You trying to bust a
U-turn? They were checking us out. Yeah, we will. But that's why they stayed, because they were checking us out, bro.
Thank you. HOV. Some blue to your left.
Oh, shit. I thought that was 12 coming this way.
Oh, they about to do it. They about to do it. Damn, I know where we at too, bruh. You gotta keep straight.
Bruh, he let us off the fucking exit?
He already had his finger on the whole time.
lows. Gas